Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 15 of my birthday card a day, September 2023. Woohoo, we made it halfway through. Have to say my mojo has been kind of hiding from me a little bit, but I'm trying my hardest to push through. It's really funny with this card. I didn't have any mojo. I didn't know what I wanted to do. And I happened to walk by this paper that's, I think I only have a couple sheets left. It's old Stampin' Up! Designer Series paper. But I saw these stars already cut out in it. And I was like, oh, that looks fun. And so I kind of pulled it out. And then I was like, well, what am I going to put with it? And then the card just kind of came together. I think it's so interesting how our minds, our creative minds work, and how even just seeing some stars and some paper can help create a card. So if you're kind of in a slump, I encourage you to just kind of look at your stuff. Maybe something will spark something in you. Sorry about that, I had to take a drink. So I did use this paper. Like I said, it's old Stampin' Up! Paper. I think I was in part of a club and I got like a in color club or something with my Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm not sure. And I must have started a project and then changed my mind, so I had those die cuts. I don't know. I have several star sets, so I'm not sure which one it is. And I also, there was a rectangle already die cut out when I pulled it out, which was awesome. So that's that. I did use some layering squares from Stampin' Up! And then, excuse me, got something in my throat tonight. I did pull out this Make-A-Wish stamp set from Sweet and Sassy Stamps. I like the big boldness of this. It's a fun birthday set. And then on to my card. Happy Cake and Candles Day. So I heat embossed the sentiment. This piece was already cut out. Like I said, those stars were already come out. And I mean, it just kind of came together so easily. And I really like the contrast between the white and the pink. I thought that turned out kind of cool. I added that candle there. There's some of those stars hiding. And then on the inside, I stamped the cake. And then I added some more of those stars. So I figured they were already cut out, so why not use them? So even though my mojo was kind of hiding, I really, really like how this turned out. Not much coloring, which is kind of rare, but you know, it happens. And yeah, it's just, like I said, it just kind of makes me kind of chuckle or think about it, how our creative minds work sometimes. So there is my card for day 15, halfway through the month, and I'm excited to keep going. So I hope that you will go do something for yourself and go get crafty. I'll see you soon. Bye.